started your this styling की दुनिया?
Always been a person who wants to be very properly dressed up and tip top everything. So
Yeah.
being a Delhi stylish girl, it's always been there.
One celeb you'd love to style?
Priyanka Chopra. Everyone was complimenting on my style, on my confidence. Then I realized that style is not only wearing the clothes. It helps you to build your confidence, to build your presence everywhere.
What is your inspiration?
I am not only a stylist. Being an image consultant, there is a difference between an image coach and a stylist. So we empower, we evolve and then elevate.
Coffee or chai?
Chai,
Sari or blazer?
sari with blazer.
Wow, great combination. So you Delhi winters or Goa beaches?
Delhi winters always.
You are seeing yourself. कहाँ देखते हो आप अपने आप को after 5 years? Maybe chilling or Milan Fashion Week?
You never know.
Who are your target audience here?
So Anuradha, for me, image works for everyone. So it's people from all walks of life.
Where you are coming?
And from Delhi to directly Dubai,
Now one word for yourself.
Bindas.
Welcome back again in another episode of Baatcheet with Entrepreneurs in my channel Diligent Divas and Dudes, that is D3, and I am your marketing wali Anu. So we have our another guest with us, DJ Aka Daljinder Kaur. She is image coach and stylist. So here we go with DJ. So DJ, welcome in our channel. And how are you feeling today?
Thank you, Anuradha. I'm feeling very well. Little nervous, but I remain stylish. And thank you for having me today.
Yeah, seriously, you are always stylish. As I can see you in each and every events where we met. You are always stylish.
Thank
And I would say that you no need to be nervous because we are just having a casual chit chat in this show.
Yeah. So let's have our
So yeah,
Baatcheet.
let's roll on. Now you tell me about yourself. पहला सवाल है कि how did you started your this styling की दुनिया? And as you know that at the time when we were small, we used to play with crayons. Sometimes we eat it also. What were you doing that time?
I was also playing with the colors. I used to make paintings and everything a lot. I love wearing colors, but I always been a person who wants to be very properly dressed up and tip top everything. So being
Yeah.
a Delhi stylish girl, it's always been there in my you
Yeah.
can say childhood, since childhood.
Yeah, so Delhi fusion is inside you,
Inside
like
me.
Dil Walon Ki Dilli. Great. When you started this journey, how do you feel? Like how you are feeling now? What pains you are having when you started this? What are your struggles?
Okay, so I never wanted to be a stylist in my childhood or the initial years of my career. But during the sabbatical of like long sabbatical of 12 years, I suddenly find out this passion actually found me because when I used to go and meet people, everyone was complimenting on my style, on my confidence. Then I realized that style is not only wearing the clothes. It helps you to build your confidence, to build your presence everywhere. So I thought, why not consider it as a profession and help other people to be stylish and have their executive presence everywhere they go.
Yeah, that I can also see in you. And as I told earlier, also, I can see your passion in your style, how you carry yourself, your accessories, and all, which is actually admirable.
Thank
And
you.
I admire it a lot. So before moving forward, I just want to know that from where you are coming, like your base, your roots from India, at which place?
Okay, so I'm born and brought up in Delhi, and from Delhi to directly Dubai.
Okay.
No other states in between. But yeah, I did my master's in human resource management, and I worked in the field of CSR, business and human rights. So being a stylist was into my books. So I worked for about 14 years, then for family reasons, and it was like a conscious choice to be a mother and handle my family that time. But now during last few years, it was kind of I would not say midlife crisis, but yeah, I had that kind of void in me that I would have done something for me or something, like, because my kids have grown up, they are independent and they don't need mother at that time. So I thought, let me do something for myself.
Correct.
So
correct.
that's how I entered into, this is my second inning of
Second inning of your career.
career.
So you have chosen to be an entrepreneur now.
Yes. So I thought
That's really great.
Mm.
So DJ, I would like to ask one more thing. What thing inspired you to become stylish? आप किसी celebrity से inspire हुए हैं या this is your own experience when you noticed people and you wanted to guide them or to tell them? What is your inspiration?
So, Anuradha, here I would like to correct you at one place that I am not only a stylist. Being an image consultant, there is a difference between an image coach and a stylist. Of course, we help people in having their own style, but image is not only your overall appearance. It's what you are feel inside that comes out. So
Right.
it's the whole transformation from inside to outside.
Right.
So if you say image consultancy is or image coaching is not just the clothes or style or the fashion oriented, it's more of a people oriented job.
Right.
So that's the difference. So I'm just not a stylist. I help you to style your appearance as per your events or as per your occasions, or even the weddings or whatever. This is the beauty of becoming an image consultant and image coach, that you are trying people to be beautiful inside out, and you are trying to make them confident inside out, not only the outer beauty. So that's very good and very encouraging. What is your target audience? Like, to whom you are targeting, to whom you are planning to target? Maybe the corporate or the school or the students who are coming up with their careers, or maybe the brides, also brides to be. Who are your target audience here? So rather, for me, image works for everyone. So it's people from all walks of life. So if you say the target audience, I'm not just working with one kind of audience. I can help the audience from school students to the aspiring professionals to women. Right. But initially, I would like to target, or I would say I would like to help them, not target, to help the returning mothers, because when they are very well educated and they have so much of skills and abilities, but when they return after a long sabbatical, which I also experienced in my life, when you then come to a place when you have to introduce yourself, or you have to you have so many of mental blocks, your limiting beliefs that don't allow you to come forward or take that step. So this thing will really help them to come out of that comfort zone. They have to be uncomfortable, to grow further. So the another one is because technical skills are always there, but you need the soft skills also. You need your presence also. So the second category, I would like to work with the young aspiring professionals who are going abroad for further studies, or students who are going for their interviews. So that section, and whosoever wants the transformation to enhance their soft skills or confidence. The thing which you have told is actually relatable, because when women have kids, after that they always take it is mandatory, they have to take the break. And that period when women are taking care of their little babies, little kids, that time everything, it means they are overburdened, and that overburden is itself taking their confidence away. So when they are returning, they always need someone to help to build their confidence, because they have it there inside that, but
Yes.
it's just that you need some hand holding
yeah.
to come forward and
Come
do this.
forward, correct.
So there I would like to help those entrepreneurs. Even I've noticed, like, the entrepreneurs or the business person or even the corporate professional also, they have, like, they are at par in their technical skills,
Correct.
but when they want to speak in public, or when their presence does not speak what they are actually
yes,
doing,
yes,
so there has to be a synergy between both of them.
correct.
That's why I named my brand as Style Synergy.
Synergy,
It's the synergy of your inside and outside style.
Correct.
So we empower, we evolve, and then elevate. So
Correct.
that's my tagline: empower, evolve, elevate.
Yeah. So ladies out there, whenever you are feeling low in your confidence, though you have it, just
Yeah.
contact Styles Energy DJ.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's talk about your future now. We have already talked about your struggle, your past,
Yeah.
how you come, and now we will talk about your future. Where you are seeing yourself, कहाँ देखते हो आप अपने आप को after 5 years? Maybe chilling or Milan Fashion Week?
You never know. You never know. We have our own Dubai Fashion Week or India Fashion Week, or there will be a collaboration of all
Yes.
those fashion weeks.
So I'll be first to cheering you
Maybe
up
we
there.
will have an entrepreneur fashion week also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I will be first to cheering up you there.
And you will be the first model also.
It doesn't suit on my height actually.
No, that
To be
I'll
a
work
model.
now. I'm there to
Yeah.
look yourself as a taller.
Yes.
Don't go by height or your weight or anything.
Yeah. This is also an element where somebody can feel low in confidence, right?
Yes. So stop wearing the burden of other people's expectations,
Yes.
how you should look and how you should, like, what you should wear.
Yeah.
Start embracing yourself.
Right.
That's the first mantra.
Correct.
I would like to have my own academy, or you can say institute of empowering people, and having an etiquette coaching center for, like,
In future.
In
you want to
future,
have
yeah.
that. Good,
Apart from
great.
that.
With the name of Style Synergy.
No,
we will
maybe there's
see-
some other name, but yeah, definitely there I
Okay.
would like to see, because there has to be some kind of place which empower not only your just the styling or the soft skills, it's the overall synergy, your inside and outside confidence. Yeah,
Correct. And I know you will slate that there also.
hopefully.
So, moving forward, DJ, now I would like to ask one tip for audience who are watching you to have confidence when they are starting something new, whether it is their career journey or the entrepreneurship journey, or maybe moving outside abroad to have study or career.
So Nada, I understand that it will be very overwhelming when you start something, or you want to jump into something new. So from my experience, I learned one thing, that don't get overwhelmed with everything, doing everything together. Take small steps and celebrate once, every small win you experience every day. So take small steps, one step at a time. Once you do that, then another step, then another step. So once you have that kind of energy, then you will go on and
Correct,
on and
correct.
on.
So people out there, don't wait for the best time. Just start now if you want to start something with a small step and confidence inside you, and you will slay it.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. So DJ, now we are going to have our rapid fire round. So are you ready for that?
Yeah, I'm feeling like a celebrity today. Rapid fire round.
Yeah.
We always
So first question is coffee or chai?
chai. Always chai.
Yeah. Heels or sneakers?
I'm more of a heels, but yeah, sneakers are also nice. When
Nice. Yeah. One celeb you'd love to style if you will have this opportunity, and I pray you will have that.
Priyanka Chopra.
Great. Wardrobe must have for everyone.
Wardrobe must have for everyone could be white t-shirt,
White t-shirt.
white shirt, white t-shirt.
Yeah.
It depending on your lifestyle, but you can always mix and match white
Yes.
with
any
anything. Yeah,
any color, like
Any.
denim, skirt, anything.
anything. Yeah.
Biggest fashion disaster you can't stand.
That's a difficult one because there are a lot.
Anyone.
too much of jewelry at one time. People wear big, like chunky jewelry, chunky earrings, big bangles and everything, specifically in the festive season.
Yeah.
They want to look very traditional and ethnic, but
Yes.
with the heavy embroideries on the blouse and
Yes,
those
and-
things, they wear heavy necklace, heavy earrings, then matha, etc. So I would suggest keep it simple. Yeah, you make it your look as traditional, but have a balance and proportion of each and every element of your attire as well as accessories.
Yeah, and this is the era of minimal.
Minimal.
And, yeah, so be
Yeah,
minimal.
so just have one statement piece, either the long earrings or your embroidery or
Yeah.
your attire,
Yeah.
but don't make it like everything, like
Heavy.
you have to show you have all the things
Yeah.
together. So then your face doesn't look,
Correct.
all the attention goes only on
Yes,
those
on the
things.
jewelry and glittery things which you are
Yeah.
wearing. Correct.
So proportions are really necessary for that.
Correct. Sari or blazer?
Sari with blazer.
Wow, great combination. So you have opted both. Smart answer.
Sari with blazer.
Yeah, right. And actually, it looks smart.
It
also.
looks smart. It depends on where you go
Yeah.
and the occasion and everything. But I love to wear saris also. But I'm more of a blazer person.
So this is Desi fusion.
Desi fusion.
Yeah. Delhi winters or Goa beaches?
Delhi winters always.
Okay.
Winters.
Delhi ki sardi.
I Delhi ki sardi I really miss in Dubai. Like
Yeah.
Delhi ki sardi.
Yeah.
Always Delhi winters.
Song you play while styling?
It can be anyone, but I'm more of like Diljit or Karan Aujla, or I usually hear Satinder Sartaaj, Sanu Shisha Ajkal Dekhda.
Okay.
That's one of my favorites. Yeah.
Wow. If not stylist, then what?
Maybe a sustainability professional. So that is like totally, different
Right.
opposite tracks. But yeah, sustainability, we can work with the clothes also. So yeah,
Yes,
sustainable
definitely.
fashion is the need of the art now.
Yes.
So-
So you can collaborate with someone who is having these kind of sustainable clothings, and then you can style them also, right?
Yeah, that's a good idea. But I would teach you how to make your own
things, yeah.
wardrobe sustainable. That would be the
Correct.
better way to do
This
that.
is very good. This is actually very good because people sometimes find, and I think the ladies out there, they always, I don't have anything to wear, what to wear, and then they buy something.
We
So
were all
better-
there.
yeah,
We were all there.
everyone.
I was also there.
Yeah.
Maybe sometimes today also, sometimes I feel, but then everything is there in your wardrobe. You
Yes.
just have to
Yes.
open it, find out, and
Yes.
then mix and match.
Yes. Great. Okay. Now one word for yourself.
Bindas.
Yes. That's true. That's true. I find this the truth.
Truth.
Yeah. Okay. So Daljinder, ये था हमारा मजेदार बातचीत with entrepreneur, and I found it very interesting, and I hope you are also enjoying it.
Yes, I
This
did not
conversation.
feel it like very formal talk. It was actually a casual backseat, so we just spoke our hearts. And
Yes,
thank you
yes.
so much for having me.
Yes, thank you so much, Daljinder, for coming with me and have a baatcheet with me. So, guys, if you like this video, please go subscribe, share, and whenever you need any kind of styling tips with confidence, you can always reach out to Style Synergy DJ.
Thank you.
Thank you.